In this video, we are going to implement the Axios call so that you can map the data to the list tag. Let's go and do that. So go to index.view and scroll bottom, and here you want to add async data. As usual, try and catch. Then you have to add Axios here, and then let response equals to await Axios get HTTP localhost 3000 API products. I realized that when we were building the admin, we keep on and writing HTTP localhost 3000. What if one day we want to change this 3000 to something else, or the name of the URL will change to like example.com? It'll be very redundant to change it in every single Axios call. There must be a better way to do so. So let's go to nux.config.js to fix that. So above the export default, you want to type cons URL HTTP localhost 3000. You can always change this, and you don't have to change it in every Axios call, which will be very redundant. And the next thing you need to do is you need to go down, scroll down to Axios, and you have to add proxy, which will be true, and base URL will be URL. Let's test it out. Let's go to index.view. Let's remove this, see whether it's working or not. So console log response. You want to console log the error. So let's go to our Chrome and let's inspect and console and refresh. And as you can see, it shows the array without us putting localhost 3000 every single time. Now we can just type API products, API owners, categories, which saves us a lot of time. And now we want to return this products will be response dot products. And then we want to loop this array. Let's go to our UL, which is this part, and we want to loop in by writing v4 product in products, passing the key, which will be product._id. And then we want to go to our image, which is this part. Let's fix it. Add a colon so that we can use the object, then product.photo. And then let's go down and let's change this to product title. For author's name, we're gonna have a little bit of problem, because if you go back and if you check the array, as you can see, for owners, it shows the ID of that owner. It doesn't show the full information like name and about. Same goes to category. How do we fix this? We have to go to our server to fix that. But before that, let's just cover everything and let's fix this to price, product.price, and this would be product.price. And we're gonna add the star ratings in the future. Let's save this. Let's go back to our Chrome. Let's refresh. It shows a picture, the name, and it looks pretty slick. The problem right now that I said before is the owner. How do we get the owner's name? Because we just got the ID, right? So to fix this, let's go to server, go to routes, which will be products.js, and scroll up to here. We have to learn about a new concept called populate in MongoDB. Let's apply that new concept first. So we have to add populate here, and then which field that we want to extract the full information. For the product, it will be owner and category. And finally, you want to execute that populate function on this operation. So let's save this and let's go back to Google Chrome and let's refresh. Well, let's go back and let's go to index.view, because I think I removed, okay, this is the response. you have to console log before the return. Let's refresh again. As you can see, now it no longer have the object ID. Instead, it returns an object. And definitely we have the full information. What we just did is we extract the full information about that specific ID. In our case, category, which will show book. For owner, it will have the name and the photo and about. So let's fix the author's name to the correct owner. Let's go to J.K. Rowling and let's try and type. It will be product owner and dot name. Let's go back, refresh. Cannot read property name of undefined. There must be reads a while. Let's go to at last and let's refresh. And as you can see, Game of Thrones don't have an owner. So let's fix that in admin. So let's go to localhost 8000 and let's update Game of Thrones and change the category to books, and owner would be, let's just choose Walter Isaacson, and Game of Thrones price would be, let's change it to 89, stock photo will be 19, and this book is amazing. I don't have better description than this. You add photo, Game of Thrones, and let's update the product. And now we have updated. Let's go back to our localhost 9000 and let's refresh this page. We should see the name of the author, which will be Walter Isaacson and J.K. Rowling. Now we have successfully mapped the correct data to the correct LI, which is the list tag. This is very exciting. In the next video, we will continue on and create a product page for each of our product. I'll see you guys in the next video.